Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download 1xBet on iPhone Indonesia. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to your settings. Once in your settings, go to your name. Then go to Merchant Purchases. Then go to View Account. Once in View Account, go to Country or Region. Then change your country or region. Scroll down and choose Cyprus. Underneath, Croatia. Then, once you've agreed to change your country to Cyprus, come back to your App Store. Once in App Store, type 1xBet on the search bar and download it. That was all for this video.